This 1966 E-Type Jaguar OTS lived most of its life in Texas. It was found about 4 years ago. This car underwent a complete restoration. It is painted in opalescent silver gray and biscuit interior, which were available in 1966. We opted for a 6-inch wire wheel, the Dunlop SP Sport radials, which are original for this car in 1966. Bonnet is the original bonnet to the car. It was disassembled in 27 pieces to access the wings and the bare areas that you can't get at. The engine was completely taken apart. It was re-sleeved back to standard sleeve for the pistons, the crank, the flywheel, the clutch assembly, the front harmonic balancer, all the rods, everything was statically balanced. The car was completely taken apart. Nut, bolt, screw, washers. The car had undergone a full rotisserie restoration where it was media blasted. Has a stainless steel exhaust. Floors, sills, and boot floor were replaced. Differential was completely taken apart. It has all new bearings, all new seals, all new U-joints. It's got re-sleeve brakes. It's got all new rotors. It's got all new shocks, front and rear. The front suspension was completely built. There's a nimbleness to this car. It has a wonderful feel. Each car has its own feel. This car feels the way they're supposed to. It drives the way it's supposed to. It's a standard build. It doesn't have a lot of aftermarket parts on it. It has pretty much standard equipment. In driving this car, we've sorted it some, put about 400 miles on it, just to break everything in, look for anything that you want to shake loose. The feel of this car on the road feels just the way it should be.